What if the job you are preparing for today is completely different 10 years from now? Good morning, honorable judges. My name is Klaishumpu Sibun, a student integrated at Pathumravongsa School. Technology is becoming a bigger part of our lives every day, from the way we communicate to the way we learn. Technology continues to change the world around us. As a result, the future of work is changing as well. Today, I would like to talk about the future of work in the digital world: automation, innovation, and new careers. In my opinion, technology is shaping the future workplace in two major ways: by changing traditional jobs through automation, and by creating new career opportunities through innovation. First, automation is transforming many traditional jobs. Today, machines and artificial intelligence can perform some tasks faster and more accurately than humans. For example, self-checkout machines in supermarkets allow customers to pay without the help of cashiers. Furthermore, many factories now use robots to produce goods more efficiently. Consequently, some jobs may become less common in the future. This situation has caused many people to worry about their career. However, automation is only one side of the story. On the other hand, innovation is creating many exciting new opportunities. As technology continues to advance, new careers are emerging every year. For example, jobs such as content creators, app developers, digital marketers, and AI engineers have become increasingly important in today's world. In addition, many companies are looking for people who can use technology creatively to solve problems and develop new ideas. Therefore, young people who are willing to learn new skills will be better prepared for future careers. To summarize, automation is changing the nature of traditional jobs, while innovation is opening the door to new opportunities. For this reason, we should not be afraid of technological change. Instead, we should view it as an opportunity to learn, improve ourselves, and prepare for the future. The future of work is not something we should wait for. It's something we should prepare for. And those who are ready to adapt today will be the ones who succeed tomorrow. Thank you.